Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be adding some fertilizer to some of my bonsai plants, and we're gonna be using this. Just got it off Amazon. Instructions down here. 1 teaspoon per every 4 inches. I kind of already went around and pre-measured all my pots, and like most of them are between like 4 to 12 inches. And so we're gonna start off with this juniper right here. This one hasn't had any fertilizer, right? It has, but I repotted it and it hasn't had any in its new pot. So we're gonna go ahead and measure out a teaspoon. Have this little teaspoon measure right here. Just try to spread it around. Pick the camera up. Don't really want any to touch the actual foliage or roots, or so there's one done. I'm gonna just pause it and go grab the next plant. Alright, I got 2 of my other plants here. This one's in a pretty small going blank on the name right now. In a small pot. It was like exactly 4 inches. So I got that one done. Try to get a close up. And we got a maple next. Try to angle this a little bit better. Alright, so far we got 3 of them done. Next we have this little juniper that hasn't had any fertilizer at all this season, or at least since I've had it for the past month and a half or so. Take off this rock. Next we have this big boy. This big old juniper. And same thing, I just repotted this, so it hasn't had any fertilizer in this new pot. This pot was like 12 inches, so I think it's 3 teaspoons. I'll pick up the camera for this one. That was 1 teaspoon. Get one more. Go ahead and put these little rocks I had back up on it. Still got 2 more plants. Alright, so here we have my redwood. I'm not too sure about applying the fertilizer with its little moss layer here. Moss feels really weird. These little maple leaves, man.